Hi girls, welcome back to another video. My name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my whole setup in February, my February planner and journal. Stay tuned. Okay girls, this is going to be kind of fun because I did something different for my planner and my journal for this month. And I used basically all of my accessories except for my tip-ins, which I'll use on a day-to-day basis. I set up my planner, I set up my journal, and I just found that it just really helps, gets me pumped. It's already inspiring. I'm ready to dive in when everything is just already ready for me. Now, I know some of you girls have already been doing this already, but usually I would do mine on a weekly basis. Well, this time too, aside from doing my whole planner, I also did my whole journal. So because I've been really heavy in documenting life, really writing down God downloads, what I'm grateful for, things I'm changing, things I'm doing, things I'm desiring. Because as you know, when you are getting hearing the voice of God, you are, you're leveling up always. So being able to really hear God's voice is really crucial. You want to make sure that you are not so busy that you can't hear it, not so busy with your own plans, what you want to do and how you're going to do it. And really just be quiet with a blank journal and just God, what do you have for me? What do you want for me? Where do I go from here? What do I do about this? What do I do about that? And I've really come to find I don't like even making a move until I hear back. So I'm going to flip you around right now and I'm going to show you just my planner and journal setup and how I'm working in this month's planner journal. Let's go. Okay, girls, here I am in my Audrey A5, and I'm going to go ahead and show you now just my setup. It's just going to be a quick little flip through of my planner right now. And I had taken my stickers out of here. I kind of had them back here from, I think it's Charmed Goods, who had this cute little thing, and I'm definitely going to be changing it out and getting it ready for spring here. And then this is even just my January because I used all of my February, so I'm putting that back over here. So we've got the February, we've got the Love Indoors Girl that is for my journal. And then I've got my 2023 year calendar, which I absolutely love because I can forward plan with the pages. This was not meant to really be there for my pages in between. So I love it. And then I love these leather tabs. They're in my Amazon. The link is down below. And man, do I love these. And so I'll have this for a full year, and I absolutely love it. It's just the days, the months of the year. So I absolutely love it. I chose dot grid, and again, I'm really digging it. And then I've got my paleo meals section, which is just basically healthy living. And I'm just putting, in here, I'm just starting to get really, really serious about it. I've been so busy with other things that I haven't even been able to dive in. But this month I'm really writing down everything that's working, everything that's everyone's loving, and just feeding my family extremely well. And then of course having my baking day, which helps supply me with things that I need and such like that. So, and one of the things that I am doing is using the heritage flour. I can't express to you enough how wonderful it is. It is an ancient grain. It has not been hybridized. It is not sprayed. It is organic, and it's actually milled. Their process of milling is, they have the same kind of mill that they used to do back in the 1800s. I mean, it was back, they have really gone back to the way we used to do flour. You know, back in the day when celiac disease and gluten intolerance was not even heard of. So I'm back to that because I do notice that when I do feed some of my kids this flour, they don't notice anything. And so they have no flare-ups, nothing. So I have them on this whole wheat type of variety, and I've even started a sourdough starter again now that I do know for sure that they don't react. So that's been kind of fun, actually, for me a lot, and for my family. So more on that in a little bit because it's really just truly amazing. So again, I like to put a little bit of washi on my week at a glance. And I just did all of my stuff here, and you'll see that as we go. I just had all of this done. And all my stickers kind of mismatched all over. And then we have the weekend, which I kind of digged this. And I was like, you know what, I'm going to do this every time where it's the weekend. And then we've got Saturday, Sunday. So I kind of liked writing that out. And then I've got my week at a glance again. And I just loved setting it up. And I used all of my washi and all of my stickers. I think that's amazing. You know, because sometimes you just start to gather too many things, and I just use them for what they were and what they were intended for. And I'm set. So I got the weekend. Isn't that cute? I like that. And so here, obviously, I could go into my March book, but I got it myself already right at the end of the book. And then I've got love I put in here. And what I did is put washi on all my pages. So I used everything, and I'm just thrilled about it. And it's fun, and it was a creative thing to do. And all the way to the end, which I plan on using every single page. Yeah. So there you have it, girls. Nothing that big of a deal, but I really wanted to show you kind of what I was up to with my my planner and my journal for February, and how I set it up in advance for the full month. Until next time.